Hey guys, I got my critters, and no, you can't hear them because they're very quiet. Anybody have any guesses what they are? I'm so excited. They're back there. They're enjoying the ride home. These my little duckies. I'm so excited. Hello, babies. What do you think? Do you like them? They're very cute, huh?
One reason
They're very scared, yep. You just got to get used to people. But look at them wagging their little tails. They like their little pond.
yeah, they do.
Should we go back in and let them get used to their house?
Freak out.
They're going to have so much space in here to run around.
Yeah.
Should we go let them chill and go to bed? Can you say bye-bye, duckies?
Bye-bye, duckies.
Say goodnight, duckies. We see you in the morning. Yay! Ta-da!
Mom?
The quietest ducks you ever did see. We got all kinds of different colors, so the babies will be lots of colors. That big white one is the daddy duck, the drake. The other three are the girls. These little harem. They're happy ducks. Yeah? Oh, they're so happy to have a pond. Oh, they're gonna be so spoiled. Gotta come up with some names. You guys think of any names for them?
I don't know.